Hey guys, what's up? I hope you are doing well and enjoy watching my video tutorial. So welcome back to my channel Study Desk of Anand, and in this sequel tutorial we are going to see analytic functions rank and dense rank. So let's get started. So rank is an analytic functions which is used to assign a same number within the partitions for the same value. So this means when there is a repetitive value within the partition, so it assigns the same unique number to both the value, and it does not follow the order of continuation in the series. So whenever there is like I said, it assigns the same unique number in the repetitive value, so it will just skip the series of number, like it does not follow the sequence. So let's see the practicals, then we'll have a better idea. So we have a table called orders, and this orders table has a four field: order ID, customer ID, items, and price. Now we wanted to assign a unique number for the item that has the same price. For example, if you can see that badminton kit has a price 500 and carom has a price 500, so both these item has the same price. So now I wanted to assign these two items some unique number, so that we can achieve with the help of rank. So just let me write in query so that we'll get an idea how does it work. So the syntax for rank is similar with the row number that we have seen in the last video tutorial. So now to achieve our problem statement that we have just discussed, that we can do with the help of rank. So if we can see that the item that has the same price, it assign the same unique number for the price equal to 50. So our problem statement like PPE kit and badminton kit has the same price. So if we can see that it assign the same unique number 8 to all items that has the same price. Now if we just notice that it started with the assigning number 111 and just skip the continuation of number. Now for the fourth row, it assigned the row number equal to item equal to 4, so it skipped the 2 and 3. This is because whenever within the partitions, so if we can see that here it has a repetitive value, so we are not using here partition, so this entire table is a one partition. So in this one partition equal to 1, so there is a repetitive value, so this price is repeated twice, so this has skipped the 2 by 2. So you can see that after 1 it skip 2 and 3 and give the next series generated by 4. So similarly for a group, the item that is next generate has a price 500, so for that it has odd number generated by the uh, odd number is 8. Now if we wanted to assign the same unique number and we wanted to continue the series of continuation as well, so that also we can achieve with the dense rank. So the syntax for dense rank is similar with the rank, just dense rank. Oh, I have missed the spelling. Dense rank, and I'm just doing a order by price. So if you can see that here it assigns the same uh, price to the same number, but it skips the series of continuation. With the dense rank we can achieve that, like it assigns the item that has the same price, same unique number, but also it follows the sequence. Like for here it was a 1, and now the next series is start with the 2, and for the item that has the same price it assigns the same number. like that. So this is the only difference between rank and dense rank. Now if we wanted to second problem statement that we have is something like we wanted to group them with the customer, and we wanted to see that at what range customer is buying the product, so that we can recommend them items that comes under the customer's range, so he can do a purchasing. So I will, this is I used for the, so if you can see that customer 1 is buying item at the range of 50 and 100, so we'll offer him at the range of these uh, items so that he can purchase thing. If we can see that customer id equal to 3, so most of the item he buy at the range of 500, so we'll offer him the products that are come under the range of 500, so that we can offer him. Now if we just see that here for the customer id equal to 3, the rank is skip the continuation of series. So after 3, like item that has the same price, so it assign a number as a 333, and for the next item it has a series generated as a 6. But for the dense rank it has assigned the series as for the same order it has a 333, but when there is a next price, so it is also has a next number, and this also has a continuation of number. So I hope guys you have understood the concept of rank and dense rank. So till then, take care of yourself and happy learning.